What's up? This is John from John Branch 4 Photography, and I'm so close to almost being done with my presets. I know you all have been asking a bunch about them. I get messages on Instagram all the time about do I have presets, and a preset pack is coming. But what I need from you all is actually to submit some of your raw files. Because I'm so extra about quality control, I really want to make sure that these presets are really good and they work across most all cameras. So what I need from you all are raw files from Sony cameras, Canon cameras, and Nikon cameras. Obviously I don't need Fujifilm as I have some of that stuff already, but Canon, Nikon, and Sony would be awesome. Make sure to follow the link in the description and submit your raw files to me, and maybe I'll even throw them in the video that I'm gonna make when my preset's all done, showing you how to use the preset and how to get the best look out of your camera regardless of which camera system you're using. Thanks again for hanging out on the channel, and make sure to leave your raw files for me, and hopefully there'll be some presets soon. Thanks again, folks. Catch y'all next time. Peace.